Hi guys. First I want to say thank you so much for visiting the page. Much appreciated. I'm sure you're going to find that we raise our puppies very well, and we take pride, and we just love our dogs. We love raising our puppies. It's just something that is a huge part of our life, and we wouldn't have it any other way. um, I'm actually in here with Grace's babies. She gave birth on January the 13th, Friday the 13th. Go figure. So I'm here with her litter. They are about a week and a half old. And I just want to explain just a little bit of what we do here with the puppies when they're in between birth to 2 weeks old. We know Mom is here. He's just trying to get to Mom right now. So we do early neurological stimulation with them, and we do early scent introduction. We did the early scent introduction already, but that's basically we go with a brand new scent every day for 14 days, and it creates nose awareness, and this is especially good for working dogs. So the early neurological stimulation, that has been proven to help with longevity, increasing the health and the longevity of their lives, and it gives cardiovascular health as well. So I mean, why not incorporate that into your program, right? So what that entails is there's different kind of stimuluses that we do with them. And I don't have my little ice pack. I put that away because I had already done their exercises for today. But basically what it is, it's we take them through a few little different steps of little minor stressful situations. Like, we will hold them upside down and rub their tummies. We would tap on their paws and their nails. And it's building tolerance. It's, this teaches them that everything's okay. You can recover. It's about recovery. So that, if they're in little minor situations where they're stressed out, they can feel confident knowing that they're going to be okay. It builds trust as well with the humans. Yes. We work really hard to make sure that their first encounter and experience with humans is the best that it can be. So we play with their tail a little bit too. And then we'll have a little ice pack that we bring, and we basically touch their paws to it so that they feel the cool sensation on their paws, but just for very, very quickly. And then they realize that, okay, that was very uncomfortable, but we recovered, we're fine. So yes, so that's what we do. We do daily weigh-ins to check their weight to make sure everybody is gaining weight and doing fine. For the first few days, I'm literally in here sleeping, making sure that everybody's fine, everybody's eating, nobody's getting squished. I birth all of the puppies myself. I take them out of their sacks, and I make sure that everybody's breathing and nursing right away. So yeah, that is pretty much what entails the first couple of weeks. Here at Positively Poodles. So this is our whelping box. It's basically a little garden box that I took and I turned it into the whelping area because it creates a safe area for Mom. The most important time in the baby's life is the first 8 weeks, and especially in the early beginning, because the only thing we focus on is making sure that Mom is the most important aspect of their first couple weeks. I mean, when we're taking them out, we're doing these exercises with them. It's very, very straightforward and quick. It's done and over with, and then they're back with their mom. Everything's done right here in the whelping box because, again, the only thing that they know is Mom's smell, and their smell is all they have. So at this point, because they can't even regulate their temperature, they can't hear, and they can't see. So they rely heavily on their nose. So keeping them close to Mom is a safeguard for them. They feel safe and secure, and Mom's also happy as well. Aren't you, baby? Grace is an excellent mother. Aren't you, baby? You're doing great. Everybody's gaining weight. We always check on that to make sure everyone's gaining weight properly. Yes, we're doing good, aren't we? We're just doing wonderful. The idea, and now these handling exercises, we do them right through till 8 weeks old, because the most important thing is that they are compliant with human interaction and touch, because you know, they're going to have to go to a vet. They're going to have to be touched, and the groomer needs to be able to groom them. So your veterinarian and your groomers will be very grateful for all this extra work. And most of all, we always hold them close to our heart. Yes. Yes, we are. There we go. Yes, we're so good babies. So good babies. Yes, good babies. Yes. Okay, let's put you guys back.